Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the OSTKit Alpha Phase III proof of concept project named Chatbot Reward System using OST. We've created a chatbot that is running on Facebook Messenger attached to a page called Chatbot Points. Inside Chatbot we have a simple game, which is a coin toss game that we had built in the Phase 2 project, and we've extended it with the wallet-like functionality. And so I just want to run through real quick and show you how it works. So on your left you have the chatbot point message set up. On the right is our chat dashboard in OSTKit. You can see here there's a few users. This is a user we'll be using to begin with, and there's a couple of charities which you'll see which shows user to user. So on the left-hand side, in the middle, we're going to have a Node.js server running, and it's the interface between the chatbot system, which uses JSON requests to send and receive data, and then our Node.js server in the middle will then interface with the OSTKit Alpha SDK. The Node.js in Alpha Phase 2, we had used a different set of code. This time we ported it over to the OST JavaScript SDK so that we could be testing that out also. So let's just go ahead and begin. We're going to start on the left, firing the chatbot up. So what happens is, and we just have some debug messages, it uses a Facebook ID. On Facebook you get a different ID depending on who you're interacting with with what chatbot. So that ID is then queried, and in this case they found the same user and got back their OST ID. Sorry, jumping back and forth, all the way on the left hand side, and you can see that the score, quote unquote score, which is your wallet balance, is 195. You can see that here's a response from the OSTKit, and then over here you can see that matches a 195. So again, this is just a straightforward simple game. We call tails or heads on a coin toss, and like all good demos, I will probably get it wrong many times. Yeah, there you go, 3 in a row. Yay, we got one. So we've been awarded a token. So in the middle you can see the result back from the request rewarding the token. Over here on the far right side, if we refresh here, we should see, yes, the token balance has gone up to 295. So we're going to do a few more, and so the functionality we've added in this proof of concept, we've added a wallet. Now the problem with chat bots and messengers is, I mean, our interface is pretty limited here. I mean, we can't have a nice scrolling set of transactions. So what we just did, simplified it, was excuse me. To simplify, we show your chat wallet. Here's your balance, which is 1.95 still, which is not great. And then here's the last 5 transactions, which are rewards of tokens. And then if all the way down the bottom, again, going from newest to oldest. In a previous session, I had done a donation which awarded 5 tokens to another user, which is a charity. I don't think we have enough. So let's do a few more here. Again, we can say score is another shortcut. Shows we have 5.95. Wallet should show 5.95, 1 traction, 2, 3, 4. And so now we have enough to do a donation, so I'm going to do a donation. We have set up 3 charities. On the far right you can see charity 2, 3, and 1. If you notice, the first charity, charity 1, SOS Village, has a balance of 50. And so we hit donate and say yes, send them tokens. 1, this balance should drop to 0.95 or less. And then charity 1 now has 55 tokens. So that shows, and then here in the middle you can see the transaction from user ID to user ID. So that was the user to user component.